Hello students, today we are going to study chapter 11 Deep Breathing and Success of Moral Science. In this chapter we are going to learn how deep breathing and yoga is beneficial for our daily life. Now students, tell me which one statement from the following is correct. Good health helps us to become successful, discipline helps us to lead a better life, or success comes with discipline and stays with good health. Just think about this and take the correct statement. Now let's start the story. There is a girl who used to think that how people could manage studies, outings, and hectic vacations. Her neighbors Aunt Rita and Uncle Dave are a source of inspiration for her. They would often go for trekking, swimming, and regularly participating in marathons. Surprisingly, they both were so fit at the age of 45, and their son Kunal also studies well and is a brilliant cricket player. Aunt and uncle both used to work tirelessly day and night, so the girl wanted to know the secret of their great energy levels. There was something about the trio that made her say to Aunt Rita that she wanted to stay with her for a few days to know the secret of their great energy levels. On this, Aunt Rita smiled and told that a long weekend is coming, so she will pick up her after office. The girl was all set to be with her favorite aunt and uncle. Aunt Rita smiled at her and asked what made her think that she has a secret. On this, girl replied that she wanted to study, play, and enjoy like her, but she lacked her energy levels, so she was thinking that she will stay with her to adopt some good qualities. Because her mother told her that Aunt Rita is so hardworking and disciplined, but the girl used to feel that discipline is so boring. So she asked, how does it make her so alive and chirpy? To this, Aunt Rita smiled and told her that discipline is important as it creates time to do whatever we wish to do in life apart from our day to day chores. With discipline, we realize that we have a lot of time which we otherwise waste. And yes, there's a secret behind their fitness and great energy levels, but it's an open one. It's a combination of deep breathing and yoga that increases energy levels, and so does deep breathing. They have an instructor who comes daily, so they should learn and practice with someone with experience to get best benefits. So she told the girl that she should begin with deep breathing and then go on to learn yoga. The girl was surprised and asked what is so special about breathing that we all breathe, but how is their style of inhalation and exhalation different from others? At this juncture, Uncle Dev came and sat with them. He smiled and told the girl that she should experience the answer right away. He will hold her nose for a few seconds. And he did so, but the girl quickly removed his hand. Then Uncle explained her that breathing is so important that a shortcut in the supply of air and one feels suffocated as our oxygen supply is disturbed. Now imagine if you do deep breathing in a mindful and conscious way that ensures proper oxygen supply to all the cells, tissues, and organs of your body. And every inhalation energizes your body, and every exhalation relaxes your body. The girl's face was glowed, and she requested to tell some more benefits and how deep breathing helps us in different ways. Then Aunt Rita took out a notepad and made a rough sketch of a girl and called her Nana. Then she turned to the girl and told her that you just experienced what happens when we do not get air to breathe. It means that breathe is most important, and she will explain the benefits of conscious breathing. Then Aunt Rita explained to her the different aspects of deep breathing. The first one was breathe gives life. It means the better we breathe, the more energy we receive. Deep inhalation will bring us more oxygen and improve our energy levels to do different tasks. Deep breathing helps our internal organs to work better and lead a healthier life. Now, just find out some benefits of deep breathing. Deep breathing is known as to remove stress. No more bloating and additional discomfort that follows when digestion is poor, so it helps us to improve digestion. Deep breathing makes the body alkaline and reduces risk of cancer and other unhealthy conditions like ulcers and inflammation. Conscious deep breathing makes us more aware when we breathe with the awareness of inhalation and exhalation, so we begin to live in the present moment and the failures of the past and the worries of the future do not bother us. So it's beneficial to increase our awareness. Deep breathing is done slowly so it makes us less reactive. And the state of the mind affects the breath, and the breath also affects the state of mind. So if we are angry, then conscious deep breathing will calm us. And if we remain calm, then anger won't bother us. So it's beneficial to improve our relationships also. We can practice deep breathing anywhere and anytime. Even 5 minutes of slow deep breathing once or twice a day can make a huge difference. The girl was surprised and asked Aunt Rita that what about her daily yoga practice. Then Aunt Rita explained her that deep breathing can be combined with pranayam and yoga practice. Yoga makes them flexible, light and energetic. All the three helps them to enjoy sports. Swimming has a lot to do with breathing well and deep. In fact, all sports require an aware mind and an energetic body. So this is how they are able to work hard and enjoy. Their flexible, healthy and strong bodies helps them to live life king size. So the moral of the story is that we should keep ourselves healthy by the regular practice of yoga. Thank you.